Nobody spends a year training an intern unless something is broken. And that is exactly what EY is doing right now. I love seeing this article published by Business Insider because it highlights the problem that I have been trying to scream from the rooftops for the past year. The opportunities for early professionals to get exposure, to get the skills of what it means to be a professional operating a workplace. What are the client facing expectations? How are you a great contributing member within inside of the organization? The opportunity to learn those skills, work on projects, work shoulder to shoulder with someone, they're just not there in the same way. So we need a different approach. And EY's approach now to create a year-long residency program that will allow them to work intimately with their new hires and offer the time for them to be part of different projects, initiatives, and have opportunities for more close encounters to be able to learn their skills. Now, not everyone has a year, but there are different ways that you can approach this as far as providing the opportunities for your early professionals to learn as quickly as possible. That is what my company is focused on. I am all things for early professional training, how to get acclimated to the workplace, how to be a contributing professional in the workplace, how to show up in front of clients, all the things that take so much time. Typically, that ramp isn't there as it was before. So I love what EY is doing. It is fantastic. And it gives me confidence that we are finally identifying this problem as something that is holding back early professionals and the next generation of leaders. And I am so excited to see more companies jump in and start to think about this. And if you are considering this, if it is a problem for you on how to get your early professionals to a place where they could be contributing, client facing, and ready to perform at the level that you expect, please contact me and Real Work Ready. You can also follow me on LinkedIn at Laura Massetti, and we can get into it. Kudos to Business Insider for publishing this article because it is fantastic and you're speaking my language.